Katie, what are you doing?
Oh, you know, just detoxing my armpits. This detox recipe is going to help remove those and support my body's natural detox process as I switch to a natural deodorant.
This recipe comes from our January 2022 box, and we just know you're gonna love it. So let's check it out.
To make this recipe, you're gonna need your Simply Earth January recipe box. And we'll find our recipe card and our labels. And from our box, we're going to be using Kaolin Clay and citrus burst essential oil.
And from your home, you're gonna wanna grab 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel.
Let's get started.
First thing I'm gonna do is add 8 drops of citrus burst to my aloe vera gel.
Aloe vera gel safely dilutes essential oils to be used on the skin. Aloe vera gel also has some natural cleaning properties, making it great for this mask. And now I'm gonna add a tablespoon of Kaolin Clay. Natural clays are really good at drawing impurities out of pores, so it's gonna really help with our natural detox.
And I'm adding a teaspoon of water to make sure that the consistency is nice. And we'll stir all of that together.
Once that's stirred, we'll put it in a sealable container. And we'll label it. To use it, you'll apply it to your armpits, let it dry slightly, and then rinse it off with warm water.
This armpit detox mask pairs perfectly with your all-natural deodorant from your recipe box, or any all-natural deodorant that you are wanting to buy.
It'll help remove that buildup in your underarms to make adjusting to a natural deodorant go faster.
For more recipes just like this, head to simplyearth.com/box, and don't forget to hit that subscribe now button.
Thanks for watching.
See you later.